Imagine the heavenly aroma of warm, gooey cinnamon rolls, fresh out of the oven, with a rich, decadent chocolate glaze. Sounds tempting, right? Today, you'll learn how to make this delicious treat right at home. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, active dry yeast, warm milk, unsalted butter, an egg, salt, brown sugar, ground cinnamon, heavy cream, and dark chocolate. That's it. Simple ingredients for an extraordinary delight. With these ingredients in hand, you're ready to start baking. First off, begin by preparing the dough. This is where the magic begins, transforming simple ingredients into a soft, pliable base for our cinnamon rolls. Start by combining warm milk, sugar, and yeast in a mixing bowl. Give it about 5 minutes to become frothy. This frothiness indicates that the yeast is active and ready to help our dough rise. Next, stir in melted butter, an egg, and a pinch of salt. This adds richness and flavor to the dough. Then gradually incorporate all-purpose flour, kneading as you go until a soft dough forms. Kneading helps develop the gluten in our dough, giving our rolls their characteristic chewy texture. Once you've kneaded the dough, transfer it to a floured surface and continue to work it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place this dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean cloth, and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. As it rests, the dough will double in size, becoming light and airy, which is exactly what we want. Now, while the dough is rising, it's time to prepare the cinnamon filling. As the dough doubles in size, let's make the cinnamon filling. Combine brown sugar and ground cinnamon in a small bowl. Now, onto the dough. Roll it out on a floured surface into a rectangle about 1/4 inch thick. Spread softened butter evenly over the surface, then sprinkle with the cinnamon sugar mixture. Now let's roll. Start from the longer side and carefully roll the dough into a log. It's time to slice and dice. Well, just slice actually. Cut the roll into 12 equal pieces and place them in a greased baking dish. Cover and let them rise for another 30 minutes. Then, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop the rolls in and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden brown. Delicious, isn't it? While the rolls are baking to a golden perfection, it's the perfect time to prepare the chocolate glaze. Now for the final mouth-watering touch, the chocolate glaze. While your rolls are baking, warm up some heavy cream. But remember, it shouldn't boil. Take it off the heat and add your chopped dark chocolate and a dollop of butter. Stir until it's glossy and smooth. Once your rolls are golden brown and cooled slightly, drizzle this luscious glaze all over them. Let it set for a moment. There you have it. Irresistibly soft, gooey cinnamon rolls with a rich chocolate glaze. Enjoy!